lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to calculate cumulative total or running total in Power BI. So first here, getting the data from the source, and here going to select the CSV or text, and here going to use EMP table and calculating the sum. So next is click on dot. Thereafter, let's go there, and this the data is there. Now next, clicking on new column. After that, this place we need to write the query. Here you can see cell is the column. So I'm going to apply the cumulative sum on the cell. So thereafter, let's see the query. So first here, writing running total call. Thereafter equal, and we need to use here calculate function, and after that inside using sum function. Sum, and doing the sum on EMP cell. So EMP cell, okay, and after that let's close that. Now the next is using comma, then after using all function, and this place or using here EMP. Now the next is let's separate by the comma, and here EMP and EMP, and using here EMP number. So one column selecting EMP number, and you can select any columns this place, and thereafter here let's use less than equal to, and here earlier math earlier function, and this place using here EMP equal to EMP number. Okay, so now this is the query to get here cumulative sum of the, and now the next is let's click on this, and here you can see this place cumulative sum that's calculated here. 800 is the lowest salary, then after 1600 plus 800, that is now 2400, then after 2400 1250, that is 3650, 2975, that is here 6625, 6225 1250, that is 7875, 7875 2850, this is here 10,725. Like this is doing the adding.